Valentine's Day is more than just a holiday, it's a reminder to celebrate love in all its forms. Whether it's with a partner, friends, family, a furry friend, or even just treating yourself, this day is about creating moments of joy and connection. And what better way to set the mood than by surrounding yourself with a beautiful, cozy, and romantic space? Today, I'm sharing simple yet elegant Valentine's Day decor ideas that will make your home feel extra special. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's create something lovely together. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to create an elegant and romantic atmosphere for Valentine's Day. Soft, warm lighting instantly makes a space feel cozy and intimate. Candles are a classic choice, whether placed in elegant holders on the dining table, arranged in clusters on a mantel, or even floating in glass vases for a dreamy effect. Fairy lights add a touch of whimsy, draped over a headboard or woven into a centerpiece or along a mantel. If you prefer a flameless option, dimmable lamps or LED candles can create the same warm glow without worry. The key is layering different light sources to create depth and ambience, making your home feel effortlessly romantic. A beautifully set table can make any Valentine's Day celebration feel special, whether it's a dinner for two or a cozy gathering with loved ones. Choose a color palette that feels romantic. Classic reds and pinks, soft pastels, or sophisticated neutrals with gold accents. Layering textures, like linen napkins, delicate china, or vintage glassware, adds depth and charm. A simple yet stunning centerpiece, such as fresh flowers, candles, or a mix of both, instantly elevates the table. For a personal touch, consider handwritten love notes, mini floral arrangements at each place setting, or heart-shaped details that add warmth and thoughtfulness to the moment. Making your living space feel cozy and inviting for Valentine's Day is all about adding soft textures, warm lighting, and just the right touch of romance. Drape a plush throw over your sofa, add a few extra pillows, and instantly, your space feels more comfortable and welcoming. A simple floral arrangement, a framed love quote, and a few heart-shaped accents can bring in that Valentine's charm without feeling overdone. Candles are the ultimate way to create romantic lighting, and for an extra special touch, choose a soft scent like rose, vanilla, or lavender. It's all about creating an atmosphere that feels cozy, inviting, and filled with love. If you have a special someone, your bedroom should feel like a peaceful, romantic retreat, and a few simple touches can make all the difference. Start by layering soft, cozy bedding, think plush blankets, crisp sheets, and a mix of fluffy and decorative pillows to create an inviting space. Warm, dim lighting, like bedside candles or soft string lights, helps set a relaxing mood. A small floral arrangement or a scented candle in rose or vanilla adds a little extra romance without being overpowering. For an extra thoughtful touch, style a tray with a book, a cup of tea, or a sweet treat. It's all about creating a space that feels luxurious, comforting, and perfect for unwinding. Here's a fun fact. More than 250 million roses are produced for Valentine's Day, according to the Society of American Florists, with red roses making up nearly 2/3 of that number. Isn't that amazing? Adding a few DIY touches to your Valentine's Day decor is a great way to make your space feel extra special and personal. A simple paper heart garland attached to a wall or draped over a mantel or doorway adds a sweet, festive touch. Framing a favorite love quote or even a handwritten note can make for meaningful decor. Fresh flowers from the grocery store can be arranged in mason jars or small vases for an effortless centerpiece. You can also sprinkle rose petals on a table or around candles for a romantic feel. The best part is, these little details are easy, affordable, and add a heartfelt charm to your home. Here's some more Valentine's Day decor inspiration. Here's a perfect Valentine's Day quote. "There is only one happiness in this life, to love and be loved." George Sand. Valentine's Day is a beautiful reminder to fill our homes with warmth, love, and little details that make everyday moments feel special. So, whether you're decorating for a romantic evening or simply creating a cozy space for yourself, the most important thing is that your home reflects the love and joy you want to celebrate. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.